And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Yesterday at this time, I was chasing the moon around because I knew we were going to have a beautiful look at the moon last night, and it did not disappoint. But today, I'm chasing the sun around, even though there's poles in the way. Just a reminder, obviously, sunset happens at 4:33 p.m., but it doesn't mean it's any less beautiful than it has been even last week when it was at 5:33, right? Gorgeous day today, just a little cooler and a little breezy. Temperatures only in the 50s today, and that wind made it feel a little bit cooler. So, no more record highs, back to reality. And the 24-hour temperature change, about 20 degrees for most locations, and that is a significant change. That just goes to show you how above average we were yesterday, when today was a very typical November day, and it felt so much cooler. So what to expect? Cold tonight, frost and freeze expected for most locations, but the temperatures are going to moderate by the time we get to the end of the week. So by Veterans Day, we're back to like near 70 degrees, and we stay really warm for Saturday. The problem is, though, that's also when our next system is going to come into the area. Probably not so much during the day on Friday, but more like Friday night and Saturday with some heavy rain and gusty winds. And it does come from this pictured tropical system behind here, and it would be Nicole or the remnants of Nicole. We're not getting a straight up hurricane or a tropical storm, but the heavy rainfall and the gusty winds will feel like it. So for tonight, it will feel cold. Double blanket night, electric blanket night. Temperatures mainly low 30s, but I would not be surprised for a few upper 20s. Any breeze that we have now will back off, and the skies are crystal clear. Sunny and cool tomorrow, a repeat performance of today. Temperatures once again in the mid-50s. A little different tomorrow, though, not as much wind. So we'll feel a little bit better in the afternoon. Not quite as gusty as it was today, but it's still a cool day. But lots of sunshine, though, and your temperatures for southeastern Mass in the low to mid-50s as well. Look ahead, here's the moderating temperatures. 60s to 70 by Friday. Comes with more cloud cover for Veterans Day, but I do believe that the rain will hold off. So any ceremonies or any events that are taking place on Veterans Day itself look to remain dry. It's at night that the better chance of rain comes in. And once we turn the faucet on, it's going to rain pretty heavy too. So here is Tropical Storm Nicole, forecast to eventually become a Cat 1 hurricane, make landfall in Florida, pass by the northern areas of the Bahama Islands, and then eventually turn north and bring tropical storm force winds to South Carolina before becoming post-tropical and tracking to our west. Now, if you pay attention very closely, you'll notice that we are, one, in the path, or in the cone, so to speak, and also this cone has moved significantly to the west in the last 24 hours, and that actually scales back some of the rain for us Friday night and Saturday than what I was showing yesterday. I'll talk about it more here. So where are all the hurricane warnings and watches and tropical storm warnings? All in Florida and in the northern Bahamas as well. Hurricane warning from about Fort Lauderdale up towards Daytona Beach. Tropical storm warnings on either side, and even western portions of Florida, tropical storm watch. So here is where all the rainfall is associated with Nicole. You'll watch it track up the coast, and we get the remnants of it, but notice where the heavier bands of rain are now. Tracking to our west Friday night. We do get a pretty good slug of rain in here, but it does not look to be as heavy as the runs were yesterday. I'm using the Euro model for today. And the rain totals yesterday, we had a 4-inch bullseye across our area. Now, not so much. Like around an inch. That's a big difference. This is going to teeter back and forth as we go in the next couple of days. It's still a couple days away, but that's what we do here. We monitor it and we update you. Once the rain comes to an end on Saturday, cool temperatures for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but bright and sunny though. Highs near 50, overnight lows around 32. Tiffany?
Thanks, Jeff. Still to come on ABC 6 News First at 4, a stunning sight in